That extreme cold by tomorrow evening. Even tomorrow morning is cold, but by tomorrow evening, that's when you'll notice things are getting cold for even late January's standards. Right now, we're going to be watching for some snow showers, the potential for an isolated snow squall here this afternoon. We've got a few flurries starting to work their way into the mountains right now, and we will watch for that possibility here later this afternoon. If you get caught in a squall, pull over. Most are done in about 10 to 15 minutes, but they can cause brief whiteout conditions. Luckily, road temperatures are going to be fairly warm across southern Maine because it's 38 in Kennebunk right now, 34 in Portland, but northern Maine, notice we're still in the 20s, and that's where we could have some of those stronger squalls. So watching for that possibility today. It's a little bit breezy from the west. We'll have mainly clear skies overnight tonight, and we'll feel the temperature dropping down into the single digits and teens. Tomorrow we're back in the freezer. Our highs only in the 20s, but that again is going to feel mild compared to what we have coming for the weekend. Both Saturday and Sunday mornings will be well below zero. In the afternoon, single digits to around 10 degrees at best. And then we've got our next snowstorm coming in. That arrives a Sunday afternoon or evening. That's going to continue through the night Sunday night and potentially well into the day here on Monday. So that will be our next storm to watch. But today and tomorrow we have to watch out for that possibility of an isolated snow squall. We've got this cold front swinging through for us here today, kicking off some of those mainly across central and northern Maine. But as we get into the day tomorrow, we're going to have the chance for snow squalls once again. And this time we could see those spilling into southern Maine, and we could see repeated snow showers tomorrow. So we'll have sun in the morning, but in the afternoon, more clouds, and you could see some of those snow showers coming in, impacting our afternoon and evening tomorrow. Tomorrow night is when the extreme cold starts to flow in. Yes, at the coastline, we're talking about a high of only 9 degrees on Saturday, 12 on Sunday as that snow moves in. And we do have a winter storm watch just issued for that next snowstorm. This is for southern Maine. Right now, just York and Cumberland County included in the watch, and that's because this is where totals greater than 6 inches are the most possible. So that's something that we'll be watching for the back half of the weekend and certainly at the start of the week next week. And Scott, we unfortunately stay below freezing here through the rest of the 8-day forecast.